debrief points, obviously quite a bit of cloud around, having to be fairly aggressive with the pull-ups and pitching for the roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good to be here, 6. And caborization, ram, go. Straight.
Roulette cleared to enter display area, switch over to display frequency 119.6.
Clear to enter the display area, roulette push 119.655. For that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wedge, go. And also before a Singapore high show, not below 500 and 200 as briefed. Full smoke, confirm step. Full step and wind. No change, still 10 knots on ground report ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Nil timing correction and 300 metre line, 5.
300 metre line, double smoke, have a good show guys, 6.
And cameras you haven't already. Coming left. You're only in wedge. 4 in. 1 copy. Timing. Straightening. Smoke on. Go. Full loop. Pulling up. Coming right.
COMAC now at 1 minute. COMAC and contact Singapore Tower 1.25.
Straightening, smoke off, go.
Confirm the COMAC's clear of the display area. Above us. Jet on the nose.
Yeah, can see. Coming right. Loose wedge, go. Display roulettes.
Roulette?
Roulettes, come in, we're cleared display area in the COMAC was tracking southbound.
The COMAC is exiting the display area.
Smoke lead. Roulettes copied. We're repositioning, be running in Chile. Yeah, 2, thanks. I didn't outbound south from the display area. I thought what we were running in before. Additional points, 1, 2, 3 I dismissed. I got smoke rather than being in wedge. Missed it. 4, 5.
Where are you going to pick it up from? 6.
It's coming in for the wedge fly past 1. Coming.
Clear on downwind by the looks of it.
And smoke on, go.
Wedge.
Wedge, go.
10 seconds.
4 in. 1 copy.